everyone, welcome to my new video. I remember in one of my last month's videos, a lot of you want me to remake new bow tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make bows now. And those bows can be used for hair bows or a bow tie or the bow on your dress. You can just make bows for everything you want. The measurement can be different, depends on what size you want. And you probably want to ask why I ruined a skirt, because I don't wear the skirt anymore, so I just wanted to make something out of this skirt. See, it looks super cute, right? So you could make it in all different colors and different sizes. I also want to make a black one. The link of the old bow tutorial videos is in the description box. So the way I make bows before is not professional. Did you guys watch my second channel? So I started publishing videos on my second channel and also on my Patreon. It has more about my pregnancy and the doctor videos. I really love the bow. Let's start this video. It does look pretty good. So if you don't have a sewing machine, you could hand sew it, but it'll take more time. I feel a lot better recently, so I have more energy to make videos. I will see you in next video soon. Bye!